guys, but my mommy's phone didn't work earlier, but now we're trying it again. I think my mom might have deleted it. But anyways, I dumped this and put it in here. You guys already know that. Maybe you guys didn't, but anyways, mommy, the camera. Which one do you want me to do next? The star? Let me tell you something. Even though if you have like a shape, whatever, like heart or whatever type of shapes, it's still gonna be a circle no matter what. Right, mommy? I watched a video of that with Blippi, and he told that even though if there's a shape, and he was like woohoo, and he was like even though, oh maybe it popped. Okay, I think I'm not doing it that well. Oh, there it is. See? It will still be a circle, but it still gets bigger and bigger and it pops. Okay, mommy, now which one do you want me to do? This one? Okay. Okay, if you put some bubbles, see some bubbles there? And watch this. You blow it from here in this tube, and the tube can go through here, and it can't go over here, because the air can only go through here. Even though if it wants to go this way, it can't because it's like a train, and then it has to go by here no matter what. Wherever I blow my wind of my breath, that's where it's gonna go. Ta-da! But the guys that are watching my video, that's today, that my Friday, my teacher said that that the rocket will launch today and next Monday, and it's today. But too bad, it's so sad, because it didn't launch because it was so cloudy today. And my mom knew that because I was like, why? Because she watched the news. But it might go on Friday, my teacher said. But you want to do this one, mommy, or still the green one? The green? Okay. Okay, let me go get that. My mom's sitting on the Paw Patrol chair. It's okay. Adults can still like Paw Patrol too. It's people opinions. It's full of putting in the air and better not get in the floor because mommy does not want to clean it. And I think you might see poop right there. Okay, never mind. I'm just kidding. What? Anyways, you already saw these ones. Now let's do this one. Well, I tried it earlier when we were recording and it didn't really do it. See, it doesn't do anything. Probably it's because this one's not for bubbles. Not a little bit, mommy. Okay. Ah, it's leaking. Okay. It won't blow. It went in my mouth on accidentally. Well, I bet you guys could tell. So I'm like, that's so gross. Let's put it right here. We don't want to make a mess. Let me clean it up. Okay, let me clean it up a little. Well, this is the end of our video. Bye, boy. Hope you guys subscribe our videos. We out. Peace.